Hello guys, in this video, I would like to share about how to cast the phone screen to the PC using LetsView. So, let us start it. First, we have to open the Chrome and then Google search on LetsView and then press enter. Choose the first one and then it will link to the official website of this LetsView. And then we click on this download button. It will automatically download this application, and then double click on this application after downloading completely. Then you can choose the setup language that you want during the installation and then click OK. Follow the setup. Next. Then click install. Then click finish. On the other hand, you have to install the application LetsView on this phone that you want to cast to the PC. So open the Play Store and then search LetsView. Then click install. And then open this application, allow the permission, and then open the application on the desktop. Before starting demonstration of cast the phone screen to the laptop or PC, make sure your laptop is connected with the same network Wi-Fi with the smartphone. For example, this Wi-Fi, it must be same with the smartphone that connected. And then you can open the application on smartphone, LetsView. And then press the detect to detect connection of your device that connected, or you can choose on this scanner to scan the QR code on the laptop, and then giving permission to start now, so it will cast the phone screen to the laptop. And then I will demonstrate the casting function. So at my left hand side is the phone screen and the right hand side is my laptop screen of the casting phone screen. So we open a game to test the casting quality. Looks well, this quality. Then we move on video. Moreover, I will teach you some function on this LetsView. For example, you can click on this brush and then draw anything on your phone screen. And then for this one, you can screen recording this form. Then click stop. It will automatically save to your directory of your laptop. And then for this hamburger button, it have full screen, always on top, and screenshot this home screen, or you can rotate this home screen like this. Other than that, you can cast the laptop screen to your smartphone by click on this computer screen mirroring, and then you can enter the pin code to connect it by referring to your phone, which are 0072, and then click start. waiting the confirmation from the smartphone, and then click Allow. It will cast the laptop screen to the phone. That's all. Thank you.